Hello my friends, welcome to a new by Marcelo's video. If you are new here, welcome to my world of creativity, fairy tales, fantasy and inspiration. Today I will talk about a collaboration with a very special brand that was introduced to me by my fairy friend Lori from Twisted Art Designs. This brand is Paperbabe Stamps, where you can find the most useful and special tools to create fashion girls and mostly paper dolls. The links to contact Kim Costello, the owner, is in the video info box. As you know, I already created some fashion girls like Les Marcelles, but when I saw those products, I was amazed. Kim sent me some products and I will show you. After that, I will make other videos with a beautiful project I had in mind for some time. And really, I had a creative tsunami when I saw those products. I hope you like it. So, Paperbabe Stamps. Let's start it. So let's start with this die. It's a body die where you can create a perfect body with the torso, perfect legs, hips, arms, and feet, and some joints. This die goes together with other dies for the head and hands I will show you next. This is a template where you can find the holes to joints. This is a die for the head and ears, a regular ear and an elf or a fairy ear. You can, after you cut the die, you glue behind the head. And this is a very special die to make paper breads. My friends, I love this die. You don't need the regular metal breads, so you don't have the volume the metal breads gives you to your project. And it's so easy. This little snowflake form goes folded and is glued with this round form to make this bread. This is magical. Here we have the hands dies, so we can create those beautiful hands with those gestures that I loved. And we have 6 pairs of hands. We can use both sides of the die cut. And we have the holes to the paper bread also. I love those gestures. We can use it with this stamp set where you can find those decorations, jewels, tattoos, beautiful illustrations, and obviously the lines to the fingers and behind the hand, of course. Here we have a die to the hair. This is a special hairstyle, and we can cut some layers to create a beautiful style. There are 5 dies, and we can put them together and create a hairstyle of our choice. We can mix different colors and different textures and create a very special paper doll or fashion girl. This is the package with all the instructions. Here we have a fashion girl face stamp set, amazing illustration with 4 expressions, different eyes position, eyes closed, and the ears also, and some decorations you can use as a makeup, as a tattoo also. And we have also the Mayo stamp set. There is a template which comes together, and we can create 2 different types of Mayo body, the shoulders and the head, with this set. To create a Mayo paper doll, we can use this stamp set with the regular body die. We just need to change some like torso and some legs. What do you think it can be different? I think it works very well. Here we have some templates, some hairstyle templates with a lot of hairstyles. We have long hairs, we have short hairs, we have an afro hair, some ponytails, and any template comes in several parts that we can cut, we can draw in a cardboard and cut any layer in a different color. So we have a beautiful combination, and we can combine the forms and create some different hairstyles for any character. And looking those templates, I start to think about the new characters, the new costumes, what I can do with them. So in Paperbabe Stamps, we can find those amazing templates with this variety of forms and styles, hairstyles. There is another template to the clothes. We have a lot of colors, different colors. We put over the form, and we can trace it the color we want, as a princess color, as a lace color. There are so many types. It's really important, this. Really useful. And finally, Kim sent me those decorate papers. This is a vintage doll with a lot of fantasy, a lot of colors. I really love it. I confess, at first, when I saw some Kim's works, I was in love with some fantasies, some papers she used. I thought, where did she find those papers? Here it is. a pied de poule, some stripes, black and red what, this fantasy is really amazing with Kim's illustrations. Another stripes, red stripes, blue stripes, boas, this green and black or gray, dark gray stripes is my favorite paper. I really love it. As I said, we have polka dots, we have a lot of fantasies. This I think the video will not show properly because it's video, but it's really beautiful. A lot of fantasy to create dolls, dresses, and make your imagination flies. This is Paperbabe Stamps business card with this amazing illustration. I love this. And other illustrations that you can create with those products. Remember, these products are useful and indispensable, in my opinion. Remember, Paperbabe Stamps in her Etsy store, you can find in Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and her blog in Blogspot. Here we have another amazing illustration, an amazing fashion girl illustration. Congratulations, Kim. I hope you liked this video. I tried to explain a little, but I have to try the products and I will create some wonders for you. I will show in the next videos. A kiss to Lori, my very friend. You can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, of course. And I confess, I'm really excited to show you more creations and more works with Paperbabe Stamps. Kisses and hugs, and bye-bye!